Great. Goodness.
Okay, so whenever you're ready, there's a little trigger, that's it in, and then over to the left.
Oh.
Just turn those lights to what those like. Oh, yeah, perfect. So just going to go straight down. So we'll just go in front of them, so if you go around them. Okay, yeah, we're good. So just gently through here and then left into that gate there. So that's really well clear on my side. We'll sit now up to the white cones again. Okay, yeah, so we'll do exactly the same what we did before. Yeah, so just nice and gently again, just get a bit of a feel for it. It'd be quite good just to feel how the car is to the right now, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how the car steers. And this is kind of the exercises for sort of, weight in the suspension. It's just, you can just feel how the car does weight transfer from left to right and left to right.
Yeah.
Down through the box, and then we'll just do the U-turn, and then we'll wait for the other car to come up. And stop it there. So, perfect. That gate there, and then we'll save going through this one. It's a bit tight, just kind of go at a diagonal and straight into that one there.
Okay.
So there's only 2 cars on here now, so it's right and back to the left, back to your right, and then again left to that first cone, Daniel. That's it, perfect. So then out to the right, and then we'll do the U-turn and park back at those white gates. So it's half left. Yeah, driving wise, I think you'd love the Ice Academy. That's amazing. Not terribly cheap. Right, so let's, where are we? Let's do the mode. Dynamic, okay.
Ooh,
so
lovely.
Okay. So you'll feel the steering a bit more weighted, and the accelerator a bit more sensitive, but we'll do exactly the same thing. Quite a bit of a difference there.
Yeah.
Further down before you turn, and then it'll just make it easier for you to get in that box there to start.
Oh yes, of course.
So then stop on that. Perfect. So over to the box, and we'll start from now. Okay, and away you go.
Wow.
Through the white gate this time, and then we'll just keep going nice and straight, and then we'll line up at this white gate here. So if you just sort of stop about here, that'll be fine. That's it, perfect. Just wait for
this V8, it just makes all the right sounds, doesn't it?
Yeah, they're nice. I'll straight into dynamic for you anyway, because it'll be nicer. Right, there we are. So same sort of thing. I would just do a nice steady-ish lap just to get your feel for how this car behaves and handles. So just let the car come out all the way to the edge. Keep it in a straight line now. That's it. Get those brakes on. Get the car nice and wide here. Remember, not too much power yet. Now turn early. No power yet. Get it to turn first. That's better. Now you've got a better line out of this corner. That's it. Watch the other way, the steering and the throttle.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah, so nice and wide. Use all the road. Keep steering all in one motion. Back to the left. That's it. Nice and wide, just as you go in. That's it. Now start steering. Keep the steering moving fluidly all the time. That's it. Backs. That's it. Always made it a bit tighter than needed there by coming back to stay left next time on that.
Okay.
So tighter in here. It's tighter in here, but kind of nice and gently wander to the left. That's it. Brake in a straight line. Back to those cones, remember. Just be patient on the throttle. Steer first. Steer. Get it tighter. Now squeeze the power on as soon as you can. Just remember that steering throttle combination.
Yeah.
In early, all the way to the left. Hold that steering line to bring you back to middle. Left already. That's good. To the outside. That's it. Now steer into the inside. Hold that. Get the car left now. So come over to here more. Left. Now in early. So much better.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So tighter in. Nice and tight in. All the way to those cones on the left. So nice and straight. And we're patient on the throttle.
Yeah, just like a balance.
Turn. That's it. Hold that throttle. Hold it. That's better. And then in nice and easy. Remember, it's just straight and more power. As you turn off the power, back on it now. Over to the right, that's better. Over to the left. That's it, nice and wide going in. Okay. So you can go round to the right and ease to the left. And then we're just going to come off here, but on the brakes. But that was better there. See how that corner went? We'll just go through the gate and then we'll just wait where they are. So.
Okay. So where should I go?
Yeah, we'll just pull onto this area here and we'll just stop here and wait a second. So if you go hard right and down, keep going. So we're almost parking 90 degrees to the road. And you can just reverse back. I'm just thinking, and you can watch out your side window a little bit of the other car. So.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Going back straight as you are. Keep going. That'll be it. Perfect. So you'll to what? So I can just see what's behind.
Okay.
So the indicator goes straight into the centre lane, Daniel, and then down that first corner. So about 35 to 40 maximum. So
Okay, yeah.
It's only when you actually go to turn in.
Yeah.
You to be doing that speed, so you just keep the braking nice and consistent. So keep squeezing it gently off the power, off the brakes when you turn in. Rest your foot just gently on the power.
Yeah, it's just a sort of balanced throttle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So dead bird around this corner somewhere. So just
Okay.
avoid that. So just be careful. There's no other birds that are sort of. Yeah, it's there. So just keep to the right.
R.I.P.
Yeah.
Oh, and it sounds so good.
Walks all into his mates. So just get the brake pedal, just squeeze it to start, not too hard to start.
Yeah.
Squeeze it all the way closer to the floor, the closer you get to the corner, so the car will squeeze lower. Same when you come off, just nice and gently off, get the car balanced back on the power. Just hold that power, keep looking well ahead. So moderate obviously your throttle to how the car will turn in. Easing off a bit brings the car on a tighter line. Bit of power on will make the car go slightly wider. Keep looking well through the corner. Just remember that connection with your throttle pedal and your steering. Just wait for it. It's going to open up any second now. So just squeeze a bit of power on. That's it. Back on the brakes. Just squeeze that brake pedal gently off it. Look ahead. Turn the car in. Rest your foot on the throttle so it's got a bit of power in it. Keep looking when you want to get on the power. Okay, squeeze it on. do a cooling lap to look after the brakes on these F-Paces?
Yeah, go Dave.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so Wayne to Howard, on the third lap we're going to do a steadier lap to get the heat out of the brakes to stop the discs from having a hard time.
I can imagine with all that weight.
Yeah. So just try to be. Because if someone else doesn't take the car straight out, it's just.
Okay. Yeah.
They'll just sit there and they'll just cook. If we had carbon ceramics, it would be different. Because they can manage the heat dissipation a lot better. Of course. So a lot of people get the mistaken thought that a carbon ceramic would give you shorter stopping distance.
But it doesn't. Yeah.
They're exactly the same when the discs work.
Yeah. I remember the very early F-Type Rs would pop and crackle like absolute crazy. Yeah. I know they sort of dialed it back a little bit now, but yeah.
I used to sort of almost sort of cringe, you know, when I used to take an F-Type R for the weekend. It was just like it'd start it on the drive at 6 in the morning to come back in. And
oh goodness.